Introducing Pioneer SPHERA, the world's first aftermarket in-vehicle Dolby Atmos receiver. No new car required. No extra speakers. Just pure, immersive sound. Experience sound reimagined. Music that surrounds you with depth, clarity, and detail you can feel. SPHERA analyzes your car's unique acoustics, adapting every note so you hear music as the artist intended. Unlock new layers, height, and dimension. Hear sound move all around you, above, beside, and behind. Enjoy your favorite tracks in a whole new way with spatial audio that adapts to your car. SPHERA delivers 3D sound using your car's existing 4 channels. No extra speakers required. The Dolby Atmos experience you love, now in your car.